This is the Daily Overpass. My name is Eric and I make apps. Now today I want to talk about why I hate webinars. Okay, so I've been thinking a lot lately about doing some sort of online course, like an ASO and app marketing course, right? Not to take away from the daily video, because the daily video is the back and forth, and I think that's the most fun. But some people have said, they've come new to the channel, and they said, I don't want to watch these hundreds of hours of videos just to find the good bits. So this is something I've been thinking about, maybe just something we could do, which is not necessary, but maybe like a course. And then somebody suggested, why don't you try a webinar? A webinar would be good too. And I said, yeah, a webinar, that would be awesome, right? And I really just started getting all excited about this idea. Last year I read this book, .com Secrets by Russell Brunson. It's a very good book, and there's a sequel to it called Expert Secrets, and in it he talks a lot about landing pages and email marketing. I highly encourage the first book. It's really good. The second book is more about the webinar thing. So when I was in Philippines earlier this year, I was reading the Expert Secrets, and I was totally sold on the idea. Like, yeah, I want to have an email funnel, and then like an automated emails that go to people, and then there's a webinar, and in the webinar we could sell them something at the end, even though I don't have anything to sell really except the apps or like an expensive bespoke app development, right? So we don't really have any products besides just that, which is something I need to work on, right? But ever since I've done that, I've been looking at webinars and everything, and I realized that I've never seen a webinar that I've actually liked, right? And there's certain things that just bother me about them, and I'm seeing them more and more often. In fact, there's another guy, there's an app guy who I saw that I was following him, and then he started having he had his email funnel and everything. So I went in and I registered for his webinar. I started watching all this stuff, and it's just, everything is by the book here, and it's just, there's so much stuff that makes me feel like I'm the mark, that makes me feel stupid. There's certain things that webinars do that really, really bother me, like planned scarcity, like this will only be available for the next 2 hours, right? So, and you have that little clock ticking down, right? And we're only going to make this available to 7 people. That's it. Even though it's a digital product, I'm only making it available to 7 people, and I'm probably crazy to be doing that, to give away this precious information, right? And you're just like, come on, man, really? Do we have to go through this? I get that's what you have to do, because I read the book. I know that that's what you have to do, planned scarcity, all this kind of stuff. But really, do we have to use this on me? And it just makes me feel stupid. Like whenever somebody's really sleazy, like when somebody's too smooth with the marketing, I don't know if you guys experience this at all, but you just feel like, I get what they're trying to do, I understand, but I wish they wouldn't try it on me. And that really, really bothers me. So like there was and some people who are like, I really respect and admire on YouTube and in apps and things like that, and they started going down this route, and it really put me off them. It just made me feel like, like, oh God, like I lost a bit of respect for them. And this is what kind of stopped me on the webinar thing. I think, we should do a webinar, and then I think, oh yeah, we'll do the webinar, and then we'll try to sell the course, and we'll do the hard sell at the end, and then we'll have the little countdown timer that says, this webinar is only available at, like a webinar to me is like a YouTube video that's only available once, except it's not available once, because they'll do the automated thing where you go to the webinar sign up page and say, oh, this webinar actually starts in 15 minutes from now, right? And you're like, it's unlikely that it's starting 15 minutes from now, so you go in there, and so it's automated, and then they still do stuff like, say yes if in the comments if you do this, and oh, I see someone's here from there, someone's here from there, and they try to make it seem like it actually is happening real time and everything. And I just think it just bothers me. And am I alone in this? It's just like I'm the mark. The countdown timer, what I love is a countdown timer. This offer closes in 23 hours and 59 minutes, and it's just unless you refresh the page or open it in another browser, and it starts from the same spot, 23 hours, 59 seconds, right? It's that whole, I can understand if you put something on sale for a limited time, right? Because you're testing out different prices, or you want to generate a bit of enthusiasm about it, and so you do have that sense of scarcity. Like, like I've done this with apps. This app, we're going to put it on sale for until the 15th or until the certain day so that they can move on it. But it's a countdown timer, and it's all that kind of stuff that really bothers me. And the spam. So like this, one of these app guys who sent me an email saying like, you know, I'm making this online training available for 7 people only. The first 7 people who reply to this email are going to do all this stuff again. Really? An online thing which is automated anyway, you only make it available to 7 people? Give me a break. So this is one of the things that's put me off online courses and webinars so far, although an online course is not as bad as a webinar. And I guess there are some good webinars out there, but I never understood the whole benefit of, I don't understand webinars. I don't understand why they can't just be videos. So anyway, this is my little rant for today. I hope you guys have a fantastic day today, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow.